Hello guys, so I'm in the car and we are about to get ready to head to Nando's. I got Kiara.
Pray for me. Got my seatbelt on.
We gonna get there, but yeah, so I'm gonna focus on driving and I'll catch y'all at Nando's. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I am getting ready. Well, I am on my way to Devontae's play. It starts at 3 o'clock, but I am trying to get there a little bit early so I can park and also so I can grab something to eat at the food hall. So that's pretty much what I'm doing now. I done lost track of time. I'm supposed to be there now. But yeah, so I'm on my way now and hopefully the food will be ready because I want to eat at Egg Roll Boys. It's one of my little spots out there, so I'm hoping that I can get there early enough to where I can grab something to eat because the play is at 3 o'clock and it says I'm gonna get there at 1:50, so I'm gonna be pushing it. I know I'm not gonna eat all the food, but I am going to put like my leftovers like in the car. But I just want to be able to have enough time so I can at least grab the food and then be able to eat a little bit because I haven't ate nothing like all day. So yeah, and the play is about what, 2 hours long, and he said they're gonna have like some snacks, but I don't really want to. I want some food because I think if I just eat snacks I might end up hangry and not able to really like enjoy the production. So yeah, y'all, I don't even know, I lost track of time, but at least I'm gonna be on time for the play. But I still get there a little early so that way I can still find somewhere to park because it's street parking or whatever. So there's that. But I just wanted to get on here real quick just to kind of let y'all know what I am up to, but I need to focus on driving, and I will tap in with y'all once I get there. Alright guys, so I finally made it and I got here to the crosswalk at, I don't know, it was like 18 seconds and I ain't feel like trying to run around to run across. So I'm just sitting here like waiting. But it's here. It is, let's see what time it is. Ooh, it's 1:53. So I'm just pretty much about to walk to the food hall so I can go get me something to eat, cause your girl is hungry. Hey guys, so I am on my way. I am getting ready to head to OLC factory. They just opened up a location here in Atlanta, so they wanted me to better stop, lady. They just opened up a location here in Atlanta and they want me to come and check it out. So that's pretty much what I am on the way to do. It is at Punt City Market. I'm supposed to be there at 5 o'clock and oh, okay, well that's not too bad. I'm supposed to be there at 5 o'clock and it's 4:24. So yeah, yep. But it's only gonna take me about 20-ish minutes to get there. So yeah, but I just kind of want to just get on here and just talk to y'all and just let y'all know like what's going on. But yeah, I will tap in with y'all once I get there. I need to focus on driving. I forgot to put my tripod on the camera, so yeah.
So what we're going to do now is I'm going to get the information about your cores. So which core did you decide to go with?
Taylor.
Taylor? Awesome. Words that created the scents for us, they give us notes about what they suggest to pair these scents with. However, I also like to kind of get some insight about what kind of notes you gravitate towards.
Floral.
Floral, okay.
Yeah.
So how do we feel about anything outside the floral?
I'm not a citrus person.
Okay,
so
no citrus.
I don't like that. But I do kind of like a hint of like woodsy. I do like bergamot. That's one I like that.
That
so
makes
it can
sense.
be a little woodsy, but not citrusy and.
Yeah. Everything you're
saying.
saying makes sense to me. I have so many people come in and they're like, I don't know if this is going to make any sense. And I'm like, trust me, I hear a lot of different things. So you describe it to me and I'll know what I'm looking at. Alright, and all I'm doing right now is I'm going to be adding a drop of your core, so Taylor over here, Ashton over here, onto the blotters. And then I'm going to be following that up with a drop of the corresponding accord. Once everything's on the blotters and we start smelling through, that's when I'll go into more detail about what's been added to each one.
Okay.
I like it to be a little blind, just so you don't have any preconceived ideas.
But I know this
That
one,
works
like,
for
we
me.
saw what it was.
It also comes off really nice. It's a light herbal kind of scent to it. So we have had people who come in and they're like, I like an earthy scent. And we're like, you got you.
Where do I smell?
You're going to grab down here, you'll smell right up there. So over here with Ashton, we added the Madagascar vanilla and sandalwood.
Oh, that would be what? The vanilla.
And then over here with Taylor, that is our iris and cashmere that we've added to it.
Yeah, I like that.
That smells good.
Here is your next one. And this is going to be the same accord added to both of them. So go ahead and smell. This is going to lean a little bit more towards the floral, but not necessarily floral as in you're smelling the flower. It's more of a little bit of a
I like this
stem.
too.
Okay. So that is our Zinnias
So it
hydrangea and
her.
lilac.
So, but I don't hate it.
Now here's the thing though. So you guys have different chords, but I put the same accord. Switch and see what they sound like. See how they are
Oh, this
impacted.
fruity is out there.
Oh.
There.
I kind
That's
of,
the produce section of the
I kind of like this though.
So you can
Yeah.
It's not a no. I think it's a little severe than I like, but
I
But I'm not in a so I'm gonna leave her over here. She's in
No, that's just to give you an idea. A lot of people wonder, well, if I choose a different sport, how much does it really impact it? Now
Yeah,
you
it
see
would-
how it really does. So here are your next ones.
It smells like a boring girl.
Yeah, I can't really see.
If we feel like we're going nose blind, it is a real thing.
Okay.
What you're gonna do is you're gonna sniff your own skin, take a nice deep breath of it. Another option is you can smell your hair or you can smell your clothing. And then what you'll do is you'll go back.
I do smell more of it now.
Yeah. So
Still
it's going
smells
to
like
be a
hair.
reset. We don't do the coffee
Ah.
because they don't actually work.
And the coffee beans, I just want coffee. I like coffee, so then I'm just like, coffee would be great.
This too.
So over here with Taylor, we added the peony, mimosa, and freesia.
Okay.
And then over here with Ashton, that is our verbena smoky latte tea.
That's probably why I'm like,
So,
It's a nice surprise. I went to I went and got my nails done for the concert, and the girl did not do a good job.
oh.
And I went back, and I'm like, yeah, this is what I asked for. This is what I kind of got. So she went and the manager just redid my nails. And I guess, you know, for the inconvenience, she decided to do the base,
Okay.
a cat eye. But it was supposed to be like
More of like a
a pink.
pearlescent.
It was supposed to be like a pink, like a light
Oh,
pink
okay.
color. So it's a light pink color, and then she went over with the silver cat eye. So that's how we got like the base.